My name is Heiner Giovanni Hernandez Cuides. From group 1745, English I2. I'm going to talk about the recipe for preparing a bandeja paisa. Bandeja paisa is one of Colombia's most popular traditional dishes. The signature recipe is hearty meal. Includes beans, white rice, chicharrón, ground beef, chorizo, fried egg, whippy plantain, avocado, and arepa. Of garlic, salt, 4 eggs, oil, 200 grams of big-headed onion, 3 tomato units, 2 avocados, 1 bay leaf, 4 sausages, 2 cups of rice, 1 cumin, chicharrón, 2 ripe plantain, 350 grams of the minced beef, 1 cup cargo beans, 4 corns arepas. Step 1. The veggie for the beans placed in the bowl of water. Step 2. To prepare the rice, add 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water. When the water boils, add the rice in the bay leaf. Cook over medium heat for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it stay for 5 minutes by covering the container. Step 3. For plantains, we are going to prepare them with a pan with enough oil. First slice them and fry until it's golden brown. Step 4. We proceed to prepare the avocado, cut onion and tomato into cubes. Chop the garlic into very small pieces. Saute the onion in oil for 4 minutes. Season with salt and add the tomato. Add the garlic and cumin. Mix it well and cook for 2 minutes. Step 5. Drain the beans and take them to the pressure cooker and the avocado. Cover with water and let cook for 30 minutes. Step 6. In the frying pan cook the meat and chorizo until the wood brown. Then remove from the same pan fry the eggs. In another pan fry the chicharrón. Step 7. To assemble to the bandeja paisa, place the rice, beans, slices, minced meat, chorizo, chicharrón, and the egg.